Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 55. This question is from GATE 2015 examination. Let us read the question. In the given rectifier, the delay angle of the thyristor T1. Okay, so if you check the circuit, here we are having one thyristor and remaining three are the diodes. Okay, it is like a bridge rectifier. Okay, but be careful, we are having the three diodes. Next, measured from the positive going zero crossing of Vs is 30 degree. If the input voltage Vs is 100 into sine of 100 pi t volt, the average voltage across load, that is the V0 average they have asked. Okay, so if we draw, or if first of all if we note the given things, so it is a Vs is equal to 100 into sine of 100 pi t volt. Okay, this is the Vs we are having. Next, it is given that the delay angle. Okay, so if you draw the waveform of Vs, right, is a supply voltage Vs which is equal to Vm into sine of omega t, right? So from 0 to pi it is a positive, pi to 2 pi it will be negative, 2 pi to 3 pi again it will be a positive. Okay, so it is like a pi, 2 pi, and here it is a 3 pi. Okay, so next it is given that the delay angle of thyristor T1 measured from, okay, positive going and zero crossing. Okay, positive going zero crossing means it is like a 2 pi, right? Positive going zero crossing, it is like a pi. Okay, so it is like the get pulse to the thyristor T1 is applied at 30 degree from supply voltage positive going zero crossing they have said. Okay, so suppose this is pi, this is a 2 pi, and here it is a 3. Okay, so positive going zero crossing means what? It is at 30 degree. This is like alpha. We have applied the gate signal to the thyristor T1. Similarly, at 2 pi plus alpha we are going to apply the gate pulse to the thyristor T1 again. Okay, because here we are having only one thyristor. Now if we want to draw the V0 waveform, how it will be? The V0 waveform, yes, when Vs is positive, thyristor T1 and diode D2 will be in the forward bias mode. Okay, when Vs is positive, that is plus here minus here, thyristor T1, diode D2 forward bias mode. Current will flow from Vs T1 load D2 and again back to the Vs. Okay, means we will be getting the controlled cycle, right, or the controlled half cycle. Okay, so waveform of the V0 it will be like this only. But what about the waveform of the V0 when Vs is negative? Negative means what? It is a plus here, minus here. Okay, minus here, and here it is a plus. At that time D3 D4 will be in the conduction mode. Okay, so V0 will be, yes, we will be getting the full cycle, right? So it will be like this. Okay, and again after this is from alpha till pi. Here it is 2 pi, here it is 2 pi plus alpha. Okay, and here it is a 3 pi. Okay, so this type of circuit or this type of waveform V0 will be getting. Okay, so this is the controlled output during the positive half cycle, but we will be getting the full cycle during the negative half cycle. Okay, so now for this case we need to find the V0 average. Okay, average voltage they have asked, so we can write V0 average. So from this V0 average is equal to V0 average is equal to, if you check whatever the pulse varying from 0 to 2 pi, the same repeats. So it is like 0 to 2 pi. Yes, it is divided as from alpha to pi and pi to pi plus alpha. During alpha to pi, what is the V0? It is same as that of the supply voltage. So it is a Vm into sine of omega t into d omega t, right? But if you check from pi to 2 pi, from pi to 2 pi, Vs is negative, but V0 is positive. Okay, so can we write it as minus Vm, because it is a negative minus of that supply voltage, because supply voltage is negative but V0 is positive, meaning that both are opposite. Okay, so it is like pi to 2 pi minus Vm into sine of omega t into d omega t. Okay, next further can we simplify it? Yes, we can take Vm outside. It is a Vm by 2 pi into, yes, integration of sine of omega t, it is a minus cos of omega t. Okay, you can write it as minus cos of omega t, and the limits from alpha to pi, right? Plus integration of sine, again it is a minus cos, this minus cos and here it is minus, so it will be plus, so we can write it as cos of omega t, limit pi to 2 pi. Okay, so further we can simplify it, is equal to Vm by 2 pi into minus cos pi minus cos of pi plus cos alpha plus cos 2 pi, right, minus cos pi, right? So now we can simplify it as, which is equal to Vm by 2 pi into minus cos pi means minus of minus 1, so it is a 1 plus cos alpha plus cos 2 pi is plus 1 and minus of cos pi, that is a cos pi is minus 1, so it is a plus 1 again. Okay, so this can be written as, it is a 3 plus cos alpha, Vm by 2 pi is a Vm by 2 pi into 3 plus cos alpha, right? It is a 3 plus cos alpha, 3 plus alpha. Okay, now what is the Vm? We know supply voltage, it is a 100 into sine of 100 pi t, so peak value is 100. Okay, 100 divided by 2 pi into, yes, 3 plus cos of alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is 30 degree. Okay, so it is a 30 degree. So if you check, it is equal to 100 by 2 pi into 3 plus cos of 30 degree. It is 61.53. 61.53 volt. This is a V0 average we are having. So final answer is 61.53 volt. So this is about question number 55. In the next video, we are going to discuss the question number 56. Thank you.